In today's video I'm going to unbox a package from my viewer from my Polish channel Luquest25. Thank you so much for this package, because here we have a new Porsche from the Elite 64 series, which is the Porsche in a PlayStation livery, and he also sold me the Advan one, so I will have both editions at the same time. So let's unbox my package. So here we have first package, so let me quickly see what we have here. And here we have the PlayStation one, very beautiful casting. Next package, and here we have the Advan one, also very beautiful casting. Then we have a small message in Polish, so let me quickly translate it for you. Thank you so much to Adam from Łukasz, postscriptum, small gift. So we have a small gift inside. Okay, here we have the Majorette 1975 Porsche 930 Turbo in a beautiful black color. In Poland, this company is very popular, not as popular as Hot Wheels, but it's still very popular. So thank you for the gift. And now let's unbox the new Porsche Elite 64 in PlayStation livery. So let's start with the Majorette Porsche, which of course is the Porsche from the 1975 930 Turbo in this beautiful black color. So let's unbox it. Our car comes with this special acrylic case, which I don't really care about because I don't like acrylic cases. But if you care, here we have the logo of the manufacturer of this car. Of course, the information about what this car is. And as you can see, our base has two colors, black and gray. I don't know why, it looks ugly to me. Of course, the acrylic case, nothing really special. And here we have our car. For the price, it's actually really nice. What a rhyme. Here we have a plastic headlights, of course plastic taillights, but they are partially painted. As you can see here, you have the orange and white stripe, so it's not fully plastic or acrylic, I should say. Of course, rubber tires which are rolling. It's not the best rolling I've seen on Diecast cars. Of course, small details like wipers. Our interior is all black, so we cannot really see anything, especially on camera, but it looks okay. We actually have a real steering wheel, not like plastic blob in Hot Wheels. Of course, only one mirror on the left side, just like in a real car. Base of the car is actually metal, so that's a nice bonus. And here we can see we have screws, so if you want you can easily disassemble this car. But a unique feature for this car is actually that it has a suspension. As you can see, here we have two holes which shows our mechanism. As you can see, suspension in the front, in the back, of course for full car, and it works nicely. If you care about details like this, there you have it. You can buy it relatively cheaply, but I would still choose a Mini GT or Pop Race car over this, even Schuco or Sparky. But you know, if you have them in your local shop, I would definitely get them. And other than that, cool car. Thank you so much for the gift. And now let's see our new Hot Wheels. Okay, so let's start with the Advan one. As you can see, our car is from the Elite 64 series, beautiful Porsche 911 GT2 EVO 993 in a Advan livery, of course Porsche license in a cool holographic way. And our car, as you can see, we can see it on both sides. Here we have even more information about the car, but I don't really care about a car in the Elite 64 series because these cars are too good to be closed. So let me open it. It is actually my first time opening Elite 64 car, so I am really excited. Of course, our car is covered in the Advan livery, very nice looking one. I really like Advan livery. Of course, number 83, so many Advan logos. We have even branded tires with the Advan and Yokohama logo. Of course, as you can see, our wheels are rolling, and they are rolling really well. Of course, plastic taillights, nice looking spoiler. And also here we have our exhausts. It's not the best exhaust I ever seen. As you can see, here we have two black dots. We do not have holes in our exhausts, but it looks alright. I really liked it. I like the execution. Here we have also even more details, and of course this part is flat because Hot Wheels have a lot of information about our car to tell us, so they need a lot of space for it. Sadly, this car does not have any removable or moving elements, so it is what it is. But for this price, this car looks sick. Sadly, we do not have details like the wipers or even holes here for our engine. And here I brought a car which is produced by Schuco. Sadly, I do not have a GT2 993, but here we have Porsche 911 from the 964 generation, Turbo S, of course by Schuco, in this beautiful mobile livery. And as you can see, for pretty much half of the price of the Elite 64, we have details like wipers, holes for our engine, pretty much the same wheels. Sadly, these are not branded, even the exhaust. And here, as you can see, even our exhaust doesn't have holes or even black dots. So even here Hot Wheels is better, but you know, this car is cheaper and this one is more expensive. And now it's the time for our PlayStation Porsche. Of course, same car, but in a different livery. As you can see, our logo from the Porsche license is actually in a different place this time. But other than that, it looks basically the same. So let's open this beautiful PlayStation Porsche. And here we have our PlayStation Porsche. And of course, the first thing I noticed is the headlights, because here they are just clear, not yellow ones. So that's a cool feature. Of course, branded tires. This time they are from Michelin. So many of the PlayStation, Gran Turismo, Michelin and Blisstain logos. Number 97. And other than that, it is the same car. As you can see, same exhaust, same details on the front, even same wheels, just different tires, big Porsche logo on front window. And one big difference is that our interior is like in cream color, but as you can see, we have white cage inside, same as the Advan one. I actually didn't notice that we have a white cage inside, so I'm sorry. And as you can see, we have a black seat and black steering wheel, and it looks actually really nice for a Hot Wheels car. And yeah, basically it's just the same car but in a different livery, and for me the PlayStation one is better. But both cars are really cool. Thank you so much, Lookfest, for giving me an opportunity to buy these cars from you, because they are great castings. And thank you so much for watching. Check out the Skalper shop, which is a sponsor of our channel, and with my promo code Adam you can get 5% discount at the checkout. Like the video, subscribe, have a nice day, and see ya!